This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs more filling. Eggs are naturally packed with about 6 grams of protein each, which is excellent for satiety. To truly maximize their filling power, we need to enhance that protein punch. By strategically adding other protein-rich ingredients, you can transform a simple egg dish into a meal that keeps you satisfied for hours. Beyond protein, incorporating healthy fats is another key strategy. Fats take longer to digest, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents those sudden hunger pangs. Think about adding a quarter of an avocado, a tablespoon of shredded cheese, or a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil to your eggs. These additions also boost flavor and nutrient absorption. Fiber is your friend when it comes to feeling full. It adds volume without many calories, helping your stomach feel comfortably stretched. Try mixing in a half cup of chopped spinach, a quarter cup of mushrooms, or some diced bell peppers into your omelet or scramble. Pairing your eggs with a slice of whole grain toast or a quarter cup of black beans also works wonders. Finally, consider your portion size and preparation method. Eating 2 or 3 eggs, rather than just one, provides a more substantial protein base. Scrambling or making an omelet offers the perfect canvas for incorporating all those filling ingredients we discussed. Remember, the goal is a balanced meal that combines protein, healthy fats, and fiber for lasting satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.